Rebecca Maloof here from Prime Beauty, and today we're going to address the dreaded cheek droop area. And this is just an area of focus for our own eyes. You look in the mirror and all you see is wah, wah, your jawline. We want to lift with a Tan and Sculpt bronzer, a Tan and Sculpt brush. Just brush it in there. Find your cheekbone. You can feel it more than you can see it at this point because we're kind of creating it. This is sculpting, making it look a little more interesting and simple as that to find a little cheekbone. And now we're going to add some color. We've got Afterglow, which is a peachy golden glow, or pretty pink. This really depends on what you're wearing and how you're feeling that day. This is a cream product. You're going to use your finger. Now you feel the top of your cheekbone, which is the bony part. Kind of do a smile because we're lifting. And we've just created a little more lift, more interest for the eye by doing a little subtle Tan and Sculpt. So I hope you enjoy our Tan and Sculpt kit, and I hope you enjoy being in your prime.